Hey guys, Suyun here with another episode of What's My Blank. Today we'll be unboxing Supreme item. I know I've been gone for a while. I haven't uploaded anything. I haven't been editing. I've been recording but not editing. So hopefully I have few back-to-back contents coming shortly. But that said, I did get week 7. I think right now at the time of filming is like week 9. So I'm really behind. But week 7 was the box logo drop. It was a long sleeve tee. I wanted to get it, but I think whoever tried it knows that it was almost impossible. Like, the site itself was working, but the page for the box logo tee was just completely down. It wasn't loading or anything, so I couldn't get any box logo tee. However, I did get something other than the box logo. I honestly did not expect myself to get it. But out of the frustration of not getting box logo, I had to go for it. So week 7, the box logo came out, and as far as the accessory is what I got, and that's Supreme toothpaste. Now it's ridiculous that I bought this. I actually didn't even know if I wanted it. Actually, no, I would say I didn't want it. It was like $3 per toothpaste, and it was $10 shipping. So for me, it didn't make sense. It was kind of like a Supreme Oreo. Because Supreme box logo wasn't working, I just went and checked it out, and I was able to check out surprisingly. So what's interesting was I got only one. When I went back and looked at it, the minimum was 2 or 4, I believe. So I don't know how it allowed me to check out one, but I think when it first came up, it came out as just regular quantity, and then when it reloaded, I think the minimum was 2. So somehow I got one. I paid for one. Let's see what I got. It came in regular shipping like this. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, let's see. So in the package, we have the usual box logo Supreme sticker and a bunch of other ones. This is pretty nice. I got 3 different ones, so it's pretty dope. We have the Supreme, almost like a crayon drawn Supreme. We have the pills with the Supreme, nothing on the back, just the front, and then the Supreme here on the Sony Music Entertainment, and the Supreme box logo on the back. I don't think I have any of this. This one is a little ripped, so I'm a little annoyed at that, but I don't have any of these 3, so these are all new, so I'm pretty excited for this. But let's go ahead and open this up. This is it, guys. This is what I bought. Silly. But Supreme, I can't even keep my straight face. Supreme Colgate, it has a Supreme logo on the front, Supreme logo on the back, and then on the other side it has the Colgate, cavity protection, and the drug and other drug facts about the Colgate. As far as I know, this is nothing new as far as Colgate goes. It does say it's gonna expire 07/2022, so I have two years to use it. But let's be real, I probably won't use it. On the side it's just Colgate, but the only thing is this Supreme right here. If I open this up, I believe even the toothpaste itself will gonna be Supreme. Let's see. And sure enough, the Supreme itself is the toothpaste itself is Supreme. On the back you have the Supreme. Pretty much wherever there used to be Colgate, they replaced it with Supreme. Again, this is $3. I actually don't even know how much Colgate costs. I don't buy individually. I always go to Costco and buy a bulk of it, so I don't even know how much individual Colgate costs. But I paid $3 plus $10, $13 for this one Supreme toothpaste. Ridiculous, I know, but oh, it's already open. I could use it if I want to. I'll think about it whether I want to use it or not, but this is pretty much it. This is what I got. Can't believe it, right? But that said, I'll give you guys a closer look on this toothpaste, the box, the stickers, and we'll wrap it up.